Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing like a quick install, a 20-inch straight lace frontal wig from UNICE Amazon. I think they have another company, but this is the actual Amazon company, UNICE. So they sent me the 20-inch lace frontal wig, and it's straight. So I bleached the knots, and I'm not sure if this lace is transparent or not, but I did bleach the knots. It looked like they had tinted it already, so you probably didn't have to bleach or do that much. Anyway, I did go in and bleach the knots. I did not show that, and so here I'm just using that bottle. That is not leave-in conditioner that I'm using. That is just plain old water, and I'm just gonna go through, and you're gonna see me pluck the life out of this thing. So anyway, it's a frontal wig, so I'm just gonna make sure that it looks really natural. So for the next couple of minutes, I'm gonna be plucking and removing a bulk of hair. Okay, so when you're plucking some hair, you just want to like start about, I'm gonna say, I don't know what to call it, but like 3 layers back, 2 to 3 layers back, and you just want to start plucking, make about 2 parts. So you're just gonna start plucking it, and it may feel like you're not taking any of the hair off, but you'll see once you continue to pluck that it's getting thinner around the hairline. But it'll feel like no hair is coming off, but once you comb it, you'll see a lot of the hair is coming out. And you want your wigs and frontals to be thick and full of hair, because you don't want them to go bald really fast. So if you can get a frontal or a wig that's thick, then it'll be fine. You just customize it to how you want. So anyway, here is the finished product of that plucking, and man, I plucked for a minute, but I got it looking good. So anyway, yeah, I've already put the stocking cap, I'm doing the ball cap method on hers, and she was wanting to cut her hair off, and I kind of talked her out of it. I asked her, did she want a wig, and she was like, yeah. So she got a wig. So she was wanting to cut her hair off in like a real short style. So we're trying to preserve her edges, because she's trying to grow her edges back, you know, from just wearing braids and weaves over the years. And sometimes your edges get kind of thin. So I went kind of a lot in front of her hairline, so that we can kind of preserve her edges and help them, you know, grow back or whatever. So anyway, I'm just wiping her forehead and ears down with some 91% alcohol, and here I'm going in with some Ghost Bond XL. That's the lace glue that I use that all the time. And I'm using just a rat tail comb, and I'm just spreading it. And you just want to spread the Ghost Bond really thin and even, so that it'll dry quickly. And you want to put it like 3 to 4 layers of the Ghost Bond, so that the wig can stick and stay stuck for a while. And you also want to put it about 1 inch thick, 1 inch wide. I'm saying 1 inch wide. So yeah, you just want to do that, let it dry until it's clear and tacky, and then you want to lay it down. I forgot, I'd have lost the clips to be laying her lace down. I am so sorry, but the lace is already on. Here, I'm just about to cut the extra lace off right here. I've already laid the wig down. And I also, in the back of the wig, I believe it had combs and may had adjustable strap, I believe. And I took all of that out, and I sewed down the back. So I did not show that, but I have that in some other videos that you can see. So here I'm just doing in a zigzag motion, you know, the usual, and cutting the lace off in a zigzag motion. Also, you want to make sure you remove those the lace that's covering the ears. And then if you have any excess lace that you did not cut off, that is not glued down, it's perfectly fine to go back and put a little bit more of the Ghost Bond on there, spread it thin, let it dry, and lay that lace down. So it looks really good after I went back and made sure all the little odds and ends was laid down, because you want this lace to stay laid down for 2 to 3 weeks so that they won't have to keep coming back saying that the lace has lifted. So anyway, I had already laid her baby hair down. I'm so sorry. I don't know how I didn't get those things. But I know why. My uncle and that lady that you see in the back, they were up there and they are crazy. So they just threw my whole thing off. But anyway, I'm just going through it and I'm plucking the part now. And you just want to clean out. Just make sure there is no hair in the area where you're going to put the part in. This wig, I believe it can be parted on the side, but not a deep side part, because it's that like lace frontal. So I don't believe you can do like a deep side part, but you can part it really, really far, at least 6 or more inches back in the middle, and probably like a little short part on the side. So anyway, I'm just going through with my pressing comb and just laying that middle part down. And I'm using a stove kind. I don't have the electric kind, but if you have the electric kind, that is totally fine. And so now she's gonna wear it straight. So I'm going in with some Sebastian shaper. I think the Shaper Plus. And I'm using my Conair. I believe that's the 1-inch flat irons. I got them from Sally's. Y'all need to tell Sally's to send me they need to send me a PR package, because I shout these suckers out every time I do a video. But anyway, those are the Conair 1-inch flat irons from Sally's, and they work really, really good. They're almost like the Babeless. I think I have a pair similar to those in the Babeless flat irons. But yeah, I'm just straightening out her hair. So you just want to do the follow it, I don't know what you call it, where you follow it with the with the comb chase method. Yeah, that's what it is. Just want to do the chase method, and then I'm just making sure that her part is pressed down. Spray a little bit more of the Sebastian on the part, and then use the flat irons to make sure that it's totally straight. And then I put a little bit of oil, because to me it was looking dry, but on here it looks shiny in the mud. But yeah, I'm just trimming the ends a little bit. Trimming the ends, because I don't want it to get tangly or anything. Not to say that their hair is going to tangle, but I'm just trimming the ends just a little bit. Here I'm just cutting the black strip that I wrapped around the hair after I laid the edges, baby hair down. Oh, what's wrong with me today? But yeah, I laid the baby hair down, put a black wrapping strip on there while I did everything else. And I'm just putting a little bit of makeup, because I think maybe you can see like where the lace ended it or something. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just, making sure that it's perfect. So yeah, this is her finished look. This is a 20-inch wig from UNICE Amazon. It's a 20-inch 13x6 frontal wig, and it's from Amazon, UNICE Amazon. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my social media, and thank you guys for watching.